Year by year, deepfake technology is becoming easier to create,
and that's opening the door for a new wave of malicious threats.
The term applies to both the technologies and the video created with it. It is a portmanteau of deep learning and fake. Deepfake is an artificial intelligence technique to create or
manipulate content.
It is often used to create montages or superimpose a person's face on top of another, but its capabilities extend far beyond that. This technology has plenty of other applications. These include manipulating or creating sound, landscapes, movement, animals and more. We tend to trust the content of video and audio recordings, but with AI, anyone's face or voice can be recreated
with high-level accuracy.
Deepfake content is building chaos among people who grew up with the idea that seeing is believing. Photos and videos once considered undeniable evidence of something happening are now being questioned by the masses. Deepfake video is created by using two competing AI systems. One is called generator and the other is called discriminator. Together, the generator and discriminator form something called a generative adversarial network. A generative adversarial network is a machine learning model in which two neural networks compete with each other
to become more accurate in their predictions.
GANs typically run unsupervised and use a cooperative zero-sum game framework to learn. The generator is a convolutional neural network, and the discriminator is a deconvolutional neural network. The goal of the generator is to artificially manufacture outputs that could easily be mistaken for real data. The goal of the discriminator is to identify which outputs it receives have been artificially created.
Basically,
the generator creates a fake video clip and then asks the discriminator to determine whether the clip is real or fake. Each time the discriminator accurately identifies the video clip as being fake, it gives the generator a clue about what not to do when creating the next clip. The never-ending cycle can continue until an image, video or audio is no longer noticeably fake
to human perspective.
From a security perspective, there are malicious actions that attackers could leverage deepfake for, particularly around identity authentication. Deepfakes are becoming one of the biggest threats to global stability in terms of fake news as well as serious cyber risks. Deepfakes are getting to the point that any digital audio or video online can be questioned on its authenticity and integrity, and can be used to not only steal the online identity of a victim, but now the voice and face.
Identity theft has now entered a new phase.
The ability to simulate someone's image and behavior can be used by spam callers impersonating victims' family members to obtain personal information, or criminals gaining entrance to high-security clearance areas through impersonating a government official. Write in the comment section what do you think about the balance of pros and cons of deepfake technology. It would be interesting for all of us. Deepfake technology is only a few years old, but it's already exploded into something that's both captivating and unsettling. In fact, it is believed that in a year, deepfake videos will be completely undetectable. Every year, deepfakes become more convincing and even easier to create. Today, it is possible to make a deepfake with a single photo and use AI to clone voices in a minute. One danger is that people will take such videos at face value. Another is that people will stop trusting in the validity of any video content at all.
Take care.